Marinated zucchini. Perfect to say the least, they can also become a great side dish for meat or fish dishes. Let's prepare them. Finely chop the parsley and garlic with a knife. Put them in a bowl and add the olive oil. Also, add the vinegar and salt. Mix and set aside. Wash and remove the ends from the zucchini, then slice them into 5 rounds. Put the oil in a frying pan and heat it. Add the zucchini slices and cook them for 15 minutes. Pour the zucchini still warm into the aromatic dressing. Let them rest for 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.